Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info, your how-to channel on YouTube. Today we're going to be discussing how to make money online using affiliate marketing. Now, first question that comes to mind is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketplace where businesses come online to find content creators and promoters to promote their business online through social media or different networks online, whereby they end up getting clientele coming to their business and purchasing, and you will get a percentage of that purchase, or each purchase, of course. So without further ado, let's get straight down to it. So first thing, what you want to do is go to Google and type in Clickbank, and you'll get a website that comes up that says clickbank.com. Once you click on it, this will be the website that you'll come to, and this is the front page of it. So this is the home page. What you want to do when you come here is click for a free sign up. So I'll just show you what it looks like. There you go. It's 100% free to join. Look, your information will never be shared or sold, of course, because they need you to promote their business. So with that being said, I'm just going to sign in and I'll show you the rest of the marketplace. So be back in a jiffy. Right, here we are. I'm back, guys, and this is the page when you log in. So it's going to bring you to your dashboard like this. What you want to do is you want to click on marketplace first thing before anything, and this is where all the niches are that you can choose which niche you want, and then go from that and work across. My personal recommendation will be go to the health and fitness industry because it's quite a big niche. Now, as you can see, straight away as we come, there's quite good things going on here. So I'll explain everything to you. So this product is for $101.93. Now most of these products are to do with the health and fitness. So it could be to do with detoxing products, or it could be to do weight training and so forth. So it's quite a big targeted niche. Now, this is, for example, the link of what you're going to promote. So if you want to promote this, you go to here. Now what we want to check about is what it's about. So as you can see, you put all your things there, landing page. It gives you all of this. So it will generate its own hop link for you. So that's your, but you don't have to do all of that anyway. You wouldn't really worry about that. This all here is showing you the terms of service of how to put that on. Yeah, so that's not major things. These are just minor little things. If you want to read it, just make sure you're incorrect in terms with them. Normally you will be, so that wouldn't be a situation. This is what you need to look at. So initial sell, which means the first sell. So out of that, they're going to give you full 100% of it. Look, 101.93. That's how much you're going to get. You're going to get average per sale 72% on it. Now the gravity, this is the important part. Gravity of the sale means how quick it's selling or how popular it is at the moment, and that is a very high number. Anything above close to 100 or above 100 is very good. As you can see, these numbers are just on a different level all in all right about now. They are absolutely booming. 644 gravity, 530. These seem like new products to the niche, and they will absolutely hit skyrocket high. You can make good money off it. This one here, 220 gravity. These are brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Then you start coming down to the normal gravity sections. Yeah, this is good as well, 288. As you can see, it's a big niche, 312. When you start coming down to normal, look, these are the normal ones. So 84. Now you're going to get, they are very, very good ones. Even this is very good. So these are actually tried and tested, which means that they're actually selling at the moment. So people are promoting and they're making money off of this right now. So how do you do this? For example, you want to promote this one. All we do is we click on promote. Okay, don't worry about anything. You can put a tracking ID or just click on generate a hop link, and there we are. Okay, so that's what it's given us. So when we take that, that's now copied. Now we want to promote that link. So what we want to do, we want to go to Quora, go to Google and type in Quora, which is a website where people ask questions and you answer. So what you want to do is add a question first of all. So you are going to ask the question, then you're going to answer that question. So this will be your question. For example, where can I get good detox? Okay, hold on, detox, sorry, products. Just an argument, I guess. Oh, I'll put that there. Okay, this is my question. I'm not going to think, so we've added our question. Okay, and it's going to ask us a suggestion. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. We're going to use their suggestion, which is good to go. Okay, now we've done that, everything's done. Detoxification, look, so it's already picked up the categories that it goes under: detoxification and health. Okay, any other one that you want, you can put it under food and healthy eating if you want. Yeah, so, and also product, you can put it on that as well. So now you can go to next, done. Now these are all the people that's done it. Okay, so just click on done. Bam, now you've asked a question, so this is where you're going to answer your question. Okay, so this is where, here's another one. Look, I've done a question the other day, so for example, that's an answered. Now what I can do is I can answer the question. So when I click on that, okay, now I'm going to say, here is the best detox product I tried, and it has given me very good results. Try it for yourself. Now loads of people, what they'll do is they'll put the link here. You don't do that. You click on the link there. Okay, and then you just type in the URL that we gave it, click on add. Look what ends up happening. Okay, there. Now we just want to give it a little space, and now we submit that. So now we have an answer to our questions. So when we've got an answer to our question, what ends up happening is when people answer that, now look, so when I click on this, okay, just to show you, here's the product I tried myself. So when I click on that, what ends up happening, and I'll show you, there you go, that's my unique ID. This is where it's brought us to. Okay, and when they purchase this product, okay, we will get a sale of it. We're gonna get that money off it. Okay, so all of this here is taking us to the page. This is it, and this is where they're gonna buy whatever they need to buy. Okay, so this is important. All of this here is what comes into it. Now once you've done all of that, let me go back here. Okay, once you've done all this, you've put in the promote and link and everything, you can click on reporting. Okay, as you can see, look, so just to show you it working, look, hop count. Hop means who's jumped from the form, clicked on it and gone. Look, so as you got 1 and 1 total. Look, research is what it's called. There's a vendor, that is who you're promoting. So look, it's hopped from here once already. So I just clicked on it just to show you. So it shows you, I haven't got anything off here, I haven't signed up or anything. So this shows you the whole shebang of what you're gonna get, what is happening, who's hopped over from the form, who's made a purchase, and then it also shows you here as well. Thank you for watching. Once again, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, so we can always provide content for you just like this, and hit the notification bell so every time we do provide content like this, you'll be notified first. Once again, thank you so much for dropping by. This is Exquisite Info. Go on and out. Bye bye.